Hey guys, Cassie here. So it's been over a year since I started my 90-day journey, and I thought it would be nice to do a little reflection video of where I started and where I ended at my 90-day journey and where I am today over 365 days later. So last year in August, I decided to embark on a 90-day journey to rediscover myself and also get in the best shape of my life mentally and physically. Even though I made it pretty clear, I thought that this was a personal journey for myself, it was a lot more backlash than I thought I would receive. I knew I would get some because weight loss can be a very controversial subject, but I did not expect the tsunami of negativity that was coming at me, saying that I was a disgrace to all women, a hypocrite, a person with a mental disorder, a person with an illness, a terrible role model. And yeah, I was crying and reconsidering what I had done, and this was total career suicide or something like that. But I went back to my why. My why was to get in the best shape of my life mentally and physically because I knew that I needed that. At that point in my life last year, there had been several years of negative buildup from outside sources, from internal stuff that was going on, just lots of extra pressure and weight on my shoulders, lots of toxicity that I was dealing with, and it all ended up showing in the whites in my hair, the acne on my face, the extra weight that I had gained. It became physical. And so that's why I wanted to go my 90-day journey. I didn't expect everyone to understand that, but I did know that people were gonna criticize me for wanting to lose weight. So anyway, after 90 really hard but amazing days of experimentation and self-discovery, I finally feel like I unlocked the user's manual on my body. I gave myself enough time to figure it out through my food, through my workouts, through my journaling, through my sleep, through really paying attention to how stressed I was. In those 90 days, I found out who Cassey Ho was supposed to be and what made me really happy. And being able to understand my body and nourish it in a way that allowed it to become the best version of itself, like, it was so cool. And you guys, over 365 days later, from the day that I decided to get in the best shape of my life, mentally and physically, I am in the best shape of my life. I have never felt this good and this strong and this creative and this confident in my entire life. Now, before we jump into my comparison photos, I need to precursor this section with how I want you to view my weight. I need you to look at my weight as a metaphor for toxicity, negativity, and judgment and criticism in my life. So here is my day 1 photo, and here is my day 90 photo. As you can see, I lost weight, I increased my muscle mass percentage, and decreased my body fat percentage. But the big question is, was I able to maintain my 90-day journey lifestyle post 90-day journey? I'm gonna show you the photo. Here I am wearing the same swimsuit 365 days later on my 90-day journey anniversary. There is a decrease in body fat percentage and an increase in muscle mass percentage, but I wanna make it really clear, you guys. I am not happier because I lost weight. It was because I was happy that I was able to lose the weight. And I just wish people would have understood that from the beginning. But you know what? I think all the negativity and the backlash that I got in the beginning was exactly what I needed on this 90-day journey to truly solidify my why and test me and challenge me to ask myself if this is really what I wanted to do. And I would go through that again and again and again, because that is nowhere nearly as painful as being stuck somewhere you know you don't belong. You guys, the coolest thing about the 90-day journey is the sustainability factor, because when I first started this, I knew I could get through the 90 days, but I wasn't sure what was gonna happen after, because I have been on a bunch of different diets, okay? I've tried keto, paleo, Whole30, low carb, vegetarian, vegan. I mean, I've tried so many different things. In general, I'll lose like 5 pounds the first month or something like that, and then I just like can't handle it anymore, so I go back to like gorging everything because my body feels like it's been depleted, and then I just end up back where I started, or my weight will go up even higher than where I started. I'm sure a bunch of you can probably relate to this, but this happens because you are restricting and then binging and then restricting and binging. And the thing is, with my 90-day journey, I didn't want that to happen anymore. I wanted to create habits that were forever. I know that sounds really big and scary, but I was on a mission to truly unlock my body's user's manual and truly understand what I should actually eat to feel good and be the best version of myself, like once and for all. I know for sure that dairy will give me digestive issues and it will give me acne almost immediately. Added sugars will make me feel lethargic and will also give me acne. Now, when you combine dairy and sugar together, like in a really good ice cream or milkshake, I will get pimples within the next hour or two. Like, that is how fast it happens. It's actually crazy. And the third thing is that grains and gluten make me bloated, like really bloated. So here's a picture of my belly after eating a slice of birthday cake with my sister. It was this beautiful rainbow crepe cake that I made for her birthday, complete with condensed milk, lots of flour, real sugar, all that stuff, super worth it. But I knew that my bloated belly situation was going to happen. And the thing is, when you guys know exactly how foods will make you feel, then you can make conscious decisions and not feel bad about it, all right? Like, there's no need to feel guilty that you're gonna have a bloated belly or you're gonna break out the next day if you know that it's already gonna happen because you've made the decision to just enjoy the cake for what it is. And the thing with food, you guys, is that it serves so many different purposes, right? Of course, food is calories and energy and nourishment, yes, but realistically, food brings people together. Food is cultural, food is happiness, food is a stress reliever. I mean, as long as food serves your purpose and is giving you what you need, then it is okay to just eat it and enjoy it. I have gone through so many diets that made me feel like this was a good food and this was a bad food, and I was in food jail, and if I had the bad food then I was being a bad person, and it just affected my self-worth in a way that food should never affect your self-worth. You guys, the 90-day journey has been so magical and transformational for me in all aspects of my life that I need you to experience the same thing. I mean, you have to be ready for it though. You have to have a strong enough why, because if you don't, when things get tough, and they will get tough, you're gonna wanna stop, and I just need your why to be so strong that nothing is gonna get in your way, okay? That's when you know you're ready to go on a 90-day journey. So, if you have a strong enough why, I have something really exciting to share with you. I'm so excited to tell you guys that over the past several months, I've been working with a registered dietitian to develop the ultimate 90-day journey meal plan. You guys, this meal plan is gonna show you exactly how I went on my 90-day journey, literally everything that I did to crush my goals, and how you can do it too, step by step. We've got vegan, vegetarian, pescatarian, and omnivore. I am an omnivore, and that's how I ate during my 90-day journey. And all the recipes are dairy-free, added sugar-free, and refined grain-free. All of these meal plans are actually adjustable based on your goals, your weight, your height, and your activity level. I made sure that all the recipes that we created and tested and approved for the meal plan were not only good for your body, but that they tasted really good too. Because how can you have a sustainable forever lifestyle change if the food doesn't taste good? Like, the food has to taste good. And that is why I still eat the same way, because it literally tastes so good. So within each of those meal plans, you will have a weekly grocery list that you can take with you to the store. You will have weekly calendar spreads of all your meals, so you can post that on your fridge and check it off as you go. So if you guys want to check out the meal plans and some sample recipes, you can go on the 90dayjourney.com to see which one of the meal plans works best for you. You also get to learn a little bit more about Breanna, my RD. And yeah, if you go on the journeys with or without the meal plans, doesn't matter to me. Just use the hashtag 90dayjourney so I can check in on you and so that other popsters can root you on throughout the 90-day journey process. But it's going to be so fun and so transformational, and I seriously cannot wait to see your guys' internal and external transformations. I think it's going to be completely life-changing for you, and I hope these habits stick with you forever so that we can stop being so frustrated and so confused over our bodies, because you have the key to your user's manual. You just gotta listen to your body, and all you need is 90 days to figure that out. Put the work in, and I promise you will figure it out. Okay, I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.